POV roller coaster videos are going viral right now. And the best part? You can create one in under 5 minutes. Just follow my steps. First, go to my Telegram channel and get the prompt. Next, paste the prompt into ChatGPT and generate your ride concept. Then, open Google Flow, copy the image prompt, and create your images. After that, animate the images using the animation prompt provided. And that's it. Your viral POV roller coaster video is ready to upload. Now, post it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels and let the views roll in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content creation tips.